I don't know why, but I'm nervous for you. Yassir, you seem like you're very well collected, calm. Everything okay?
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Fantastic. Sayyid.
Hey Yassir, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How you doing? You okay?
Alhamdulillah.
How does it feel when somebody chooses which part of the Quran they want you to recite?
For the first time that I've done this before, it's not the first time I get picked a verse for me, but it does feel a bit confined. You're now not able to read whatever you want to read. You need to, stick by what's given to you and apply your expertise on the chosen passage. So it's a bit difficult, but alhamdulillah, inshallah, not too unbearable.
Well, you were brilliant in the quarterfinal, so I look forward to listening to you tonight. Go ahead.
Fantastic. Guys, Yassir, Mahdi, look forward to seeing him. Put your hands together for Yassir, Mahdi in support. Thank you so much, guys. All the best.
When I first got onto the stage, I was slightly more nervous than I was in my first performance. Maybe that's because I was given an extract to read, because the first performance I was allowed to read anything and I was very comfortable with that passage. But soon into the recitation, that nervousness started to go away.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويستنبئونك أحق هو قل لي وربي إنه لحق. وما أنتم بمعجزين.
Beautiful start. Fantastic.
ولو أن لكل نفس ظلمت ما في الأرض لافتدت به وأسروا الندامة لما رأوا العذاب وقضي بينهم بالقسط.
This guy's sick.
وهم لا يظلمون. ألا إن لله ما في السماوات والأرض ألا إن وعد الله حق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون. هو يحيي ويميت وإليه ترجعون. يا
قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور وهدى ورحمة وشفاء لما في الصدور وهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين قل بفضل الله وبرحمته فبذلك فليفرحوا وخير مما يجمعون صدق الله العلي العظيم
Well, there was more of a response from the crowd. There was more engagement from the judges themselves. So I think it's fair to say that this performance has been better than the one before.
طيب الله ينفعك ياسر. Well
Thank you very
done.
much.
I personally thought it was a brilliant performance. We'll find out what the judges have to say. Say Jalal.
MashaAllah, Yassir. As Mullah Nazar always says, you smashed it. MashaAllah. Beautiful
Thank you very
recitation. Beautiful recitation. Really good start. You have a strong voice. You started beautifully. As you consider that it is a proper competition, international competition, and you did it. MashaAllah, you started with Bayati, beautiful, you recited, and then you went to Rast, and as well you tried to do the Jawab and Jawab as you did, but I accept that's okay, and as well after Rast you went to
Sika.
Sika.
knew it,
Beautifully you
mashallah.
recited Sika, and I enjoyed as well. I was expecting Jawab of Sika, for example, when you recited.
Is that
in
possible? Said Jalal?
Yes.
MashaAllah.
Like for example here. يا أيها الناس قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم.
أحسنت.
Sorry. The reason why I said is that possible, that is the evidence. Because I genuinely thought that the Siga maqam was quite high already. But mashallah. Mullah Nazar. Brother Yassir.
Yassir, Mahdi, very beautiful recitation. The jumping from melody to melody was very beautiful.
Okay, so
right,
that's
cool.
a positive start
Mullah
from
Nazar,
Mullah
thank you very
Nazar.
much. I would like to involve Mullah Arif, if that's okay with you, because I could see you from afar. You were really connecting with his voice. Tell us your feedback.
Assalamu alaikum. Yassir, you recited really well. I remember I used to teach Quran, mashallah. So I remember all these recitation. It was really nice, mashallah.
Appreciate it.
The pronunciation was really nice, and your lower notes, as Sheikh said, that the only thing, if you can improve a little bit on your high notes, you'll be, mashallah, smash everything. But it was really nice, mashallah.
Thank you very much.
May God bless you.
Thank you, Mullah Arif. Sayyid Mesum.
Yeah, so what a phenomenal start to the night. I think you set the tone for the night, mashallah. I liked your soothing voice, very beautiful, and the effortless recitation from you. It's like swimming through the ocean.
Thank you, thank you.
And lastly, but certainly not least, Dr. Sayyid Ammar.
Yassir, coming from a world where looks can be deceiving, I would never think that you're a profound Quran reciter if I saw you walking the street.
Thank you. I can say the same thing.
Absolutely brilliant. Your focus when you were walking in, I was looking at you, and for a top performer, the focus has to be spot on. One day you may recite in front of thousands, and before recital, I could see that the focus was exactly where it was needed. That was perfect. And I learned from you, because I saw before every verse, there's this deep breath from the chest. And that is a lesson for people like myself when it comes to reciting. That's the biggest compliment I could give you. Very well done. Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, Yassir, Mahdi.
It's been too long since my eyes have filled with your embrace.
Beautiful, beautiful. How do you feel like it went?
Well, again, it was majority to practice, but the same points that the judges mentioned is where I started to improvise a bit because of the nerves. Yeah.
I could tell. But you did very well, though. About those high pitches, your thoughts?
That is exactly where I had to improvise on. Because I couldn't stick to my plan, I had to improvise, and I sacrificed these high notes, which I initially did have. But inshallah, on the
compromise, though, mashallah. Have you done enough to get to the next round?
Hopefully, yes. Hopefully, inshallah.
Best of luck.
Thank you.